LUMAX, and I'm from aftermarket division. So I'm taking care of actually B2B market as a IT, and we have most focus area is to how to we provide customer delight to our B2B customers. So for that we have integrated our ERP. Actually, we are using SAP as a ERP. Recently, we have upgraded to HANA also. But actually, SAP is mostly for manufacturing point side. But after market, we like trading unit. For trading, we need to customize broadly to meet our requirements. So still, I think SAP is still not able to fulfill the trading requirements, and we lots of customization done, and at a time we can say that it's a 40% customized also we are using from SAP side. So for we have to also integrate other systems like supplier portal to integration, some other like dealer portal to integrate with SAP. So we have to integrate many systems. So again, the interoperability is the major concern from our side, as per our industry concern. And other concern is the customer delight. We have to again different system integrated each other. So each system need to send data to other system, and that interoperability is